Wow, okay, that platter just shattered. So obviously you can't sell that on eBay, but I'm guessing board sort would probably take it. So this is like a mix of glass compared to the bigger ones that were more metallic, more bendy. So this is more of a glass type of platter, completely shattered. Let's put this on the side. So let's pick up some of the pieces that fell and let's see how much of a platter we have. So zero that. So platter wise, we have about that didn't work very well. We barely have an ounce. Yeah, about 0.3 ounces of platter in these. Or 0.2, it changed already. So 0.2 of an ounce, which is not much, would give you not even a penny worth. So that was less than a penny. We have aluminum, and this is what I was talking about, the gold. I found this in one of these hard drives and it has a bunch of gold pins and some monolithic capacitors on the back, so that's a nice little extra piece for the gold recovery, guys. So there's a negligible amount of copper, which is this here, so I'm not even gonna weigh it because it's not gonna give me anything. Alright, so how much aluminum? So we have the aluminum left. Let's see.